Randy,
Trisha,
I even had my own pedicab.
the best.
President Arab is dedicated in the increase of our country's abundance of beauty. Pedicab. Yun ang pedicab, meron pa ako. Tricycle. Trust, responsibility, industry in the countryside journey for the cultivation of larger eggs. Tricycle. Sino bisikleta? It's for the northern part of our country. Biscuit at itlog para sa mga EDA. Ba't ngayon lang kayo doon? Why did you arrive only now? Traffic? Just for you, I'll start from the very beginning. Ex-President, Filipinos, even Filipinos who are not my fellows at all. Part and parcel of this happy activities. I'm really looking forward to being proper, looking backward. Financial sense is just a core away. They're going to make a big core of success. Call me. The man that I was looking forward, backward side or looking onward. Because I can accept, I'll do a little hazard. What? A little hazard? No, a little Harvard. I was giving it to Harvard. I know, I said, it is a story. It's very hard to nakakawin ng legacy. Tulad nga, Mar, Villar, America. I'm not America, I have a G. Justice, economic, environment, and peace. G. America, President, to increase abundance of beauty. May convention of trust, responsibility, increase in the country's journey for the cultivation of larger eggs. And then dumating na tayo. Please close the door. Seriously. But I have accepted my fate. I have accepted that I was destined to be a movie actor. As a matter of fact, ako po ay nag-concede na po kay Pinoy. And I wish him luck in this journey as the real president of this country. I told him that. It just took a long time before I finally was able to concede because I still tried to know the meaning of concede. And I wish him luck. Sa katunayan, I will be there after his term ends and I will guide him if he wants to reinvent, rebrand, redirect his career. I can produce a movie for him. Bagay na bagay po. Iniisip ko na ng script, The Last Hair Bender. Bagay na bagay po kay Pina, who's also politically challenged. Hindi lang po yan. Before I go, I'd like to ask all of you to give him your support. Lalo-lalo na po kayo na sa sektor na ito na talaga po maraming matulungan. Please, pagod ako sa'yo. Before I go, I'd like to please support him. And if you don't want to support him, at least give him your support. And actually, tulungan na rin po natin sa pamamagitan natin yung mga panalangin. Si former President Gloria. You know, I can relate to a lot of what she's going through. Nailagay na po tayo sa Veterans Memorial Hospital. I have gone through all of that. House arrest, rest house arrest, veterans arrest, hospital arrest. I was almost arrested in peace. There was so much stress in my life. But I'd like you to know that you are truly an inspiration for me. Because when I was incarcerated, I was able to finish my first book. I was able to finish reading my first book. And it was your book. Ako po mga kaibigan, ay nagpadala rin sa kanya ng words of encouragement. Sabi ko, President Gloria, mag-ingat ka dyan sa Veterans Memorial Hospital. Delikado yung hospital na yan. Isipin mo mabuti, think of the name, it's Veterans Memorial Hospital. veterans, hindi mga doktor ang mga tao dyan, veteran na rin. But when you surpass this challenge of yours, I can even produce Ampliverans. Usong-uso na yung mga vampire movie for the teenage market. Meron din ako, Twilight, Eclipse. Nagsama tayo sa pelikula, President Doreen Newman. After all, ladies and gentlemen, I wish you good luck. May you have an even better year ahead. I'm looking forward to a series of meetings I will be having with Sir Dino after today because we are thinking of more further rebranding. We are renaming one of the products called EIP, will be called Arabs Investment Package. Thank you very much.